Personalizing your Android phone is easy. In this video, you'll learn to change your lock screen wallpaper with just a few taps using your phone's built-in wallpaper settings. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Touch and hold an empty space until the customization options appear. Step 2. Tap Wallpaper and Style, Wallpapers or Personalize. The exact name may vary depending on your Android version or phone brand. Step 3. Select Change Wallpaper to open the wallpaper library. Here you can browse built-in wallpapers or choose a personal image. Step 4. If you want to use your own picture, open the gallery and select the photo you want as your lock screen wallpaper. You can crop, zoom or reposition the image so it fits perfectly. Step 5. Tap Next, Continue or Done to move to the wallpaper selection screen. Step 6. Choose lock screen as the destination. If home screen is also selected, uncheck it so the wallpaper changes only on your lock screen. Step 7. Preview the wallpaper to make sure you're happy with how it looks. If needed, adjust the image one last time. Step 8. Tap Apply, Done or the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. Enjoy your new lock screen. If this tutorial helped, stay tuned for more simple Android guides and helpful smartphone tips.